Did you want a competitive advantage in Fortnite where you can see enemies who are further away closer up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to stretch your screen out on the PlayStation 4 in Fortnite. Let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. If this is your first time watching a YourSixStudios video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love showing you guys how-to guides and live streaming on this channel. So stretching your screen out on your television or your monitor really isn't that hard. It's only going to take us a few minutes to go through the settings and go ahead and change everything so you have a more zoomed in picture in your Fortnite game. Why would this be a good idea to try out? Because it will allow you to see someone who's further away and have them seem like they're a little bit closer to your face, kind of like you're zoomed in already on them. Now let's begin. Press the home button on your PlayStation 4 and go to the top bar and go over to the right to settings. Select settings and go down to an option called sound and screen. Now select sound and screen and scroll down to display area settings and select that. Now your display area may be very large like this. You are going to want to shrink it all the way down to as small as it can go. Having your display area shrunk will pull in your mini map and the location where your items are stored closer to the center of your screen. Now grab your television remote. On your television remote, hit the options or menu button to bring up your main menu. In this video I am using a Samsung TV and it should look similar to this. Next we're going to want to go to picture and look for something called screen adjustments. We're going to have to scroll down to the bottom of this list. This could also be under display or aspect ratio. Now let's go ahead and select screen adjustments. And we have two options here, picture size and position. Let's go ahead and select picture size. Under the settings, there's multiple different aspect ratios you can have, ranging from wide fit, 4:3, screen fit, smart view 1, smart view 2, and probably the best one, 16:9 when you're playing in 1080p. Scrolling through the list, you will notice there's one zoomed in more than the others. This one is called wide fit and is most commonly referred to as screen stretched. However, your TV may be different and you may have more options to allow you to zoom in and zoom out manually. So if you have wide fit on your TV, go ahead and try that out. Next, I have another option to zoom in your screen a little bit more. Press the home button again on your PlayStation 4 and go to the home screen and go all the way back up to settings. Go ahead and select settings and scroll all the way down to sound and screen once again. Now go ahead and go to video output settings. Let's go ahead and select that. And we're going to be presented multiple different options. We're going to go to resolution. Now if you like it in wide fit, keep it at 1080p. However, if you drop it down to 480p, your screen is going to be zoomed in automatically. Notice the mini map is closer and the screen is zoomed in more on the 480p option. With this, you will not have to go to the wide fit option on your TV. The downside is the resolution will be lower and things will be a little bit more blurry. You can always try going to 720p and that may be a little bit better and still zoomed in more. So let's go ahead and select 720p and compare it to 480p. As you can see, we're still zoomed in a little bit more and our menus are still a bit bigger. Now let's go to 1080p and just compare it. This will be the most zoomed out option. However, this is going to be the least blurry option and is going to look the best on this setting. So those are the two different ways that I know you can zoom in your screen more in Fortnite on your PlayStation 4. And before we head out, I want to point out something on my remote called picture size. It's labeled P size. This will allow me to quickly go through my different aspect ratios on my TV just like I did before. So look at your remote. This will be much quicker when you want to change it back and forth. So if this video helped you out at all, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and check out some of the other videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.